In this video, I'll guide you through how to integrate Klaviyo with Canva. If you're looking to enhance your marketing strategy by combining the robust email marketing capabilities of Klaviyo with Canva's creative design tools, you're in the right place. This integration will streamline your workflow, making it easier to create visually appealing email campaigns. So, let's get started on setting this up effortlessly. First, you'll want to start by navigating to your Klaviyo account. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of your screen, where you'll find your profile or account icon. Clicking on this will open a menu with several options. From here, you need to select the Integrations tab. This section is essentially the hub for connecting Klaviyo with a variety of other platforms and tools, making it incredibly versatile for your marketing needs. After you've clicked on the Integrations tab, look toward the upper right-hand corner of your screen. Here, you'll see the option labeled Explore Apps. Clicking on this will take you to a page where you can find different apps that can be integrated with Klaviyo. This is a great place to explore other potential integrations that might benefit your marketing efforts as well. Now, to specifically find Canva, you'll need to use the search feature. Type in Canva and press enter. You should see a card or listing for the Canva integration. It's important to ensure you're selecting the correct integration, as there might be other apps with similar names. Once you've identified the correct Canva integration card, go ahead and click on it. Next, you'll see an option to install the integration. Clicking Install will initiate the connection process and automatically redirect you to a secure Canva authentication page. This is where you'll authorize Klaviyo to access your Canva account. If you're not already logged into Canva, you might be prompted to do so at this stage. Make sure you have your login details handy. After logging in, you'll be presented with a page detailing the data permissions required for this integration. It's a good idea to review these permissions to understand what information will be shared between Klaviyo and Canva. When you're ready, click Allow or Connect to authorize the link. By doing this, you're granting Klaviyo the necessary permissions to access your Canva designs, making it seamless to incorporate them into your email campaigns. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated Klaviyo with Canva. This connection will allow you to leverage Canva's design capabilities directly within your email marketing campaigns in Klaviyo, providing a powerful combination for creating compelling and visually stunning content. Remember, integrating these two platforms not only saves time, but also enhances the overall quality of your marketing materials, ensuring they are both effective and aesthetically pleasing. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to explore other integrations that can further optimize your marketing efforts. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.